Anatomic Solutions has more than 30 years of experience and is recognized as one of the best companies in the medical post-mortem technical equipment sector. At DMI Medical, we are distributors of anatomic solutions in the United States, the Caribbean, and Latin America. At Anatomic Solutions, we specialize in hospital environments, pathological anatomy, forensic medicine, mortuary and funeral fields, which allows us to offer tailor-made solutions to all our clients. Our passion is to design innovative products and manufacture with the highest quality, making a difference in this market. Our work is distinguished by the design for the pathological anatomy area. We make workstations for cutting and carving samples, and through their different models, they will provide you with safety, ergonomics, and comfort in the development of laboratory tasks. In the new facilities of the Institute of Forensic Sciences of Puerto Rico, a disinfection system has been installed that includes an ultraviolet ray lamp, which emits ozone and disinfects the entire work area. In addition, it has a disinfection tunnel to comply with microbiological biosafety standards before entering the body into an autopsy room. In the pathological anatomy laboratory, we have carving stations that have custom dimensions, automatic security screen, emergency system, touch screen, side windows that allow natural light to enter, and high security. All the Institute's workstations have an intelligent ozonizer for water called Ozonic Wash 4.0 that uses the power of ozone to eliminate pesticides, fungi, organic matter, contaminants, and viruses. This is 100% toxic-free without adding contaminants to the water or the environment. In the pathological anatomy laboratory, we have ventilated cabinets, vacuum table for sample reception, formal dispenser, the organ washing station, waste collection station, the autopsy and preparation table. The autopsy table has an integrated disinfection system that is mainly characterized by its specific internal treatment system for liquids through the injection of sodium hypochlorite and NaClO. The wastewater generated in forensic tasks is disinfected before being evacuated to the general sanitation network. The BA019 organ scale is essential in the work area for organ and body weighing equipment. Anatomic Solutions has a versatile and complete range of all types of instruments, manufactured under the highest quality standards, providing professionals with the tool that helps them carry out their work efficiently, easily, and comfortably. The lighting at the station provides the best conditions, adapting optimally to each of the activities carried out in the forensic sector. Our furniture stands out for professional ergonomics with a design to offer comfort to the user. Our autopsy tables with elevation and suction system have an electromechanical system which allows an interrelation between the height of the table and the height of the user. In addition, we work with bariatric autopsy tables with an adjustable height and 100% stainless steel. Its design has been studied to guarantee a tailor-made experience in order to adapt to customer requests. Autopsy workstations have complementary elements such as surgical lamp with high-resolution video and photography system. Other areas that we work at Anatomical Solutions are elevation and transport, large-capacity refrigerated rooms, storage racks, mobile structures, static structures with customizable storage racks adapted to the different needs of each facility, elevation and transport that adapt to each space and are available in different models. At Anatomic Solutions, we offer numerous solutions, whether standardized or customized, and all of them will maintain the quality of materials, manufacturing, and design as a common denominator. All our equipment and furniture complies with the most demanding standards in terms of occupational health and environmental safety. At DMI Medical, we have stood out for 30 years, serving with integrity and commitment.